Hey, my name is Megan Cooley, and today we're over here in Walser Honda in Burnsville. We're going to be going over the brand new redesigned Passport 2022. It's super exciting because they have only had 3 designs for the Passport over the last few years, so this is a very masculine look, and it's also a step down from our Pilot. So if you're looking for a little bit more cargo space, you don't need that third row, this is a really great option for you. Today we're going to cover all 4 packages that come available on the Passport, and we're going to cover what comes with each package. So the first package is going to be the function package. The function package is going to come equipped with a cargo net, a first aid kit, and a cargo cover. Now the next package we're going to talk about is going to be the Honda Performance Development Package, the HPD. The HPD package comes in 2 color options, bronze and black. It's going to come equipped with the HPD logo decal. It's going to have 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels, as well as black lug nuts. You'll have the Fender Flares, as well as the HPD door trim. The last package we're going to talk about is the utility package. The utility package comes equipped with your crossbars and your tow hitch. Again, my name is Megan Cooley over here at Walser Honda in Burnsville. If you have more questions or you want to take a test drive in the new 2022 Passport, feel free to ask for me at the front desk. If you have other questions or you want to look at photos of the vehicle, you can always check out our website at walserhonda.com. And if you wanted a more thorough walk around on this particular trim, the Trail Sport, we do have an available video walk around, link below.